Hello, here's how to use the tools effectively. First, click on Tools. Next, select Caption and then click Add New. Write a title and caption and save it here. Once saved, you'll see the caption added with the title. Now, click on Composer. Select your media and click to get the caption. You'll find the saved caption list here. Click to select the caption you wish to add to your post. Next, go back to Tools and select Group Manager. Click Add New and write a title to create a group. Include and click Save. For watermarking, upload your logo and set it in the image, adjusting the size and transparency as needed. Finally, click Save. Thank you.